Today I'm out here at Stricker's Grove in Ross, Ohio. This is my first time at the park. This park is only open 4 days a year. It's the 4th of July, so they're open to the public, and I'm gonna go ride some rides. They have 2 roller coasters here and a bunch of fairground rides. Looks like a lot of fun. Let's go. Today is the 4th of July and the park looks packed, but hopefully I won't have to wait too long for the rides. Let's go see. My ride wristband. Each wristband is 20 bucks and parking was $5. So overall, not too bad. The park is only open a couple days a year to the public, and as you can see, it is pretty crowded. Lots of crowds today. One thing I like about this place is they allow on-ride filming here, so I have my GoPro with me, and I have the park's permission to use it on rides. Most parks near me don't allow that, so it's kind of nice. First ride of the day is on Tornado. As you can see, quite a long line. Just got off my first ride on Tornado here at Stricker's Grove. It was a little rough, but wow, that airtime was great. Really fun ride. It's a really small little one coaster, but boy, it packs a punch. That was a great little ride. Really enjoyed that. There's a really long line, as you can see. Maybe it gets shorter later. I might ride again, who knows? Next ride is on Teddy Bear, another classic wooden roller coaster here at Stricker's Grove. The second of the 2 roller coasters here. Here at Stricker's Grove. Heads up, here we go. Oh, not yet. The Teddy Bear roller coaster right behind me. Small little one roller coaster, nothing too special, a lot like Woodstock Express at Kings Island. Still a lot of fun. Nice little ride for children. Electric Rainbow here at Stricker Grove. Never run this before. Got off Electric Rainbow here at Stricker's Grove. Really forceful ride. Tried to hold my hand up the whole time, couldn't do it. Super forceful, lots of fun. We have absolutely beautiful weather here for Stricker's Grove on the 4th of July, but as you can see, it's pretty busy. Still, I'm making the most of it. Ride is on whatever this is. I am here on Tip Top at Stricker's Grove. Already spinning. The ride hasn't even started yet. I'm gonna be so sick after this. Not looking forward to it. Are we moving yet? I don't think we're even moving. Oh no. Oh, now we're moving. Now things are getting serious. Now we're spinning. Oh my goodness. We're really spinning. Oh my goodness. Barely moving, but we're spinning really fast. Oh my goodness. I'm getting dizzy already. Oh no. This is gonna be bad. Oh, we're spinning. Oh, we're spinning. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think that's enough spinning. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm just... Oh, off we go again. bouncing. We're bouncing and we're spinning. Oh, now we're not spinning anymore. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, I like this ride. This ride's fun. We're spinning. And we're bouncing. Oh, I like that. This is better than HD. This is better than teacups. I like this. Oh my goodness, you okay? Oh my goodness. I think the ride is coming to a stop. That is TikTok. Here is Stricker's Grove in Ross, Ohio. Wow, that was fun. I like that ride a lot. I am dizzy though. I think I'm good on spinning for today. Good ride. No, that's enough spinning for me. Just got off Tip Top here at Stricker's Grove. I am not a big fan of spinning rides. I do not like Cargo Loco at Kings Island because there's way too much spinning. And let me tell you, this ride spins. It spins and it bounces, and I am so dizzy right now. Nonetheless, it's a really fun ride, lots of fun. It's getting dark, and this place is still packed, as you can see. Oh my goodness. When I heard of this place, I didn't think it would be nearly this busy. That's the end of my day here at Stricker's Grove. It's a really charming, small little park. Just a shame it was so busy. I had to wait about a half hour to 45 minutes per ride. Not ideal, but what can you do? I'll probably come back on a day where it's not as busy. It's not as festive as I thought it would be for the 4th of July, but still really nice. Tornado is a super fun wind coaster with some good airtime on it, and I really like that they allow on-ride filming. Please keep in mind all on-ride filming is done with park permission. Do not film on-ride unless you have park permission. If you enjoyed watching, stay tuned. I have lots more amusement park vlogs coming this summer. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.